This is actually pretty good. So we are gonna set these up in an industrial area where we had cameras before. They had broken them down. We set them up and they broke them. They keep breaking them. So now we're gonna put some fake cameras in there, and they turn on at night, floodlights, and then they give us a couple stickers letting them know that hey, there's some cameras going on. There's the actual real solar panel to actually connect to, not connecting to the actual camera. There is no camera; it's just a fake camera. But the actual lighting, it's gonna charge the actual system itself. It's made by A Zone. We're gonna put them up today, and on top of that, they give you two stickers that's letting people know, hey, there's a reminder. There's a camera in here. Just be careful not to steal my camera again. So we're gonna set it up and see how it works today. So let's go ahead and do that.
That's the light. That's the way it looks. It's a motion sensor. It's really bright, and this is what happens when you walk by it.
Turn it off where you could see the difference when it's off. Okay, and then turn it on, and then it illuminates really good. Go ahead and turn it on again, even over here. This is a very strong light.